Since the World Wide Web, or commonly known as Web 1.0, was introduced, users of the digital technology could view any type of information from different parts of the world. Web 2.0, on the other side, paved the way for users to have better usability and produce more user-generated content. Now, we're in the changing phase where internet users need decentralized systems that are private, secure, and owned by a certain community. But as most people continuously adopt Web 3.0, it requires new technologies and platforms to handle data, consumer, and developer needs. To address this specific problem, there's one emerging cryptocurrency that aims to build an open and collaborative infrastructure that serves as the largest credential data network inside Web 3.0. Have you ever heard about Project Galaxy? To know more, stay on this video as we unwrap all details of this amazing cryptocurrency project. Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypton. And before we start, if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our amazing videos about cryptocurrencies. Now, without further ado, let's dive into this. Before we thoroughly discuss the ideas of Project Galaxy, it's important to know first the basic concept of Web 3.0. Well, if you're a person who's inclined to the advancement of technology, then I'm pretty sure that you have enough knowledge about what Web 3.0 is. But for those who are new in the industry and still don't know it, Web 3.0 is the third phase of what we commonly know as the World Wide Web. This is where most individuals explore the digital world. It is the third-generation web that is permissionless, decentralized, and has code designs drawn from open sources. Web 3.0 mainly processes information with the help of artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning. So basically, this web doesn't rely on centralized platforms for data exchanges, unlike the previous ones. Moreover, this is said to be the home of cryptocurrencies, as users who participate in governance protocols own a share, either a token or crypto, that primarily represents their ownership in the decentralized network. And that's Web 3.0. Now going back to our main topic, Project Galaxy is the largest Web 3.0 credential data network available. The main purpose of this crypto project is to help developers as well as other projects to use NFTs and digital credentials as they build more effective products and communities. To fully understand the importance of Project Galaxy infrastructure inside Web 3.0, let's discuss how digital credentials are curated without Web 3.0 infrastructure. But what are digital credentials first? They're basically a database profile of any user that provides a company insight as well as determines whether the content is relevant to a certain user and eventually finds a target audience. In short, credentials are essential for every user in the digital space. In Web 2.0, credential data are segregated within closed databases, which are technically owned and fully permitted by applications and institutions. The problem is the inefficient system where users who should own certain data but cannot easily access it. And this is the gap that Project Galaxy aims to fill, to provide Web 3.0 developers with an aggregated credential data network where they will have control of their data and digital credentials. So how does this project work? As Project Galaxy's infrastructure allows community members to curate digital credentials and contribute data to the network, they can curate various types of credentials inside. Generally, there are two types of credentials: on-chain credentials and off-chain credentials. For on-chain credentials, members can contribute data from 7 different chains with subgraph queries or wallet snapshots, while off-chain credentials will allow members to contribute data through Galaxy's integrated data sources like Twitter, Discord, GitHub, and more. Now there will be a reward if the credentials in the contribution Galaxy Data Network are utilized in Galaxy's application modules, Credential Oracle Engine, and Credential API. These applications are widely used across several use cases for blockchain applications. One of the network's important features is the Galaxy ID, which is aiming to become your Web3 LinkedIn. This ID gives users individual usernames that will represent them on different wallets and chains. Also, it displays their credentials collected in Web3. On the other side, developers can easily integrate the Galaxy ID toolkit to offer customized features based on the credentials provided. Users can also incorporate their Galaxy ID into other integrated data sources. According to data, the number of registered users with this ID has passed the 1.2 million mark. The network also has its Galaxy on-chain achievement token, Galaxy OAT, that serves as the main solution for the community managers and event organizers to promote the project's NFT infrastructure and on-chain credential data network to build and release NFT badge campaigns and reward their respective community members. According to the project, OAT is a digital record of all your life's achievements, with the aim to integrate both offline and online identities of a specific user either with or without the issuance of NFTs. And that's how Project Galaxy simply works. The network has been able to help a lot of Web 3.0 developers easily handle their data without experiencing any problems. If we're going to look at the network's growth, then it's pretty impressive. Even though this Web 3.0 credential network was initially created and introduced in 2021, several milestones have been able to build its work and even provide more benefits to its users. By July 2021, more than 100,000 credential-based NFTs have been minted and fully claimed via BNB chain and Ethereum inside the network. By the end of April 2022, it was announced that around 500,000 NFTs are minted with the help of Project Galaxy every month. Moreover, more than 2,000 digital credentials have been created among 4 million users of Web 3.0, and around 300 separate protocols are currently using the infrastructure built by the said project. This marks the significance of the role that Project Galaxy is playing inside the industry. Now, if you're new in the crypto world or even a long-time investor, maybe you're wondering what GAL is. GAL, Project Galaxy, is the native asset of this cryptocurrency project. Just like other native tokens, the use cases of this token are mainly for governance, paying fees, and curating credentials. It allows token holders to vote on Project Galaxy DAO's governance proposals. Those developers to use Galaxy's credential data will be charged in GAL. Moreover, curators are incentivized to stake GAL tokens in order to signal a credential dataset's value. Looking at the current price data of GAL, the token is trading at $2.42, down by 2.3%, having the 275th spot in CoinGecko's ranking. Its 24-hour trading volume is $17,294,985. The token's circulating supply is at 35,871,041, which equates to a market cap of $86,862,886. If we're going to talk about the price potential, then it will be hard to predict GAL's value in the next few days, given that it's still new in the industry. But for this year, forecasting platforms have divergent predictions towards the token. Wallet investors seem to be bullish on GAL with their negative $0.38 2022 prediction. In the same table, Trading Beast also expects a downward trend toward the token, as it will stay around $2 throughout the year. However, PricePrediction.net is optimistic about GAL with its $4.44 price target by December 2022. Looking at its long-term potential, then the token can have a great future. Project Galaxy has formed a partnership with BNB Chain and Solana. This relationship can be a massive catalyst for the project to have exponential growth in the next few years. With this, the question for all investors is Project Galaxy GAL a great investment? The decentralization approach of the Web 3.0 infrastructure, which includes Project Galaxy, still has a long run. It can be much more challenging, but the value that it has can explode by the time of its massive adoption. As for us, we see Project Galaxy as a solid foundation for the improvement of the credential data system in the future internet. This project can even expand its services to be more beneficial to internet users when it comes to data systems. In addition, the network's roadmap, as well as the future innovative features, are all set to be achieved over time. Investing in this crypto project today can be a way to prepare for your better future. But as we always say, research should be done before investing to avoid losses. Well, that's all that we have for today's video. What are your thoughts about this amazing cryptocurrency project? Let us know in the comments section. And while you are here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there.